Imagine a single place, churning out millions of fish every single year. Not just a few hundred, enough to feed entire countries. How is this even possible? This isn't just about farming fish. It's about a national strategy, technological innovation, and optimizing every single step. We'll break down how they select breeds. So, why tilapia? It's not the most glamorous fish, but it's practically built for mass production. They grow fast, tolerate a wide range of water conditions, and are incredibly hard. But they didn't just use any tilapia. China invested heavily in selective breeding programs. They've developed strains that grow even faster, convert feed more efficiently, and are resistant to talking about farms that aren't just big, they're colossal. Picture thousands of ponds, each meticulously managed. The density of fish in these ponds is astonishingly high. These farms use advanced systems. Automated feeders distribute nutrient-rich pellets. This ensures every fish gets fed efficiently. The feed provides the perfect balance of harvesting is a massive, coordinated effort. From there, they're quickly transported to processing plants, often located right on site. These plants are highly automated, handling everything. What really elevates these farms beyond just big is the integration of knowledge. We're seeing more and more provide real-time data, and AI is starting to potential issues. Now, let's be real. Farming fish at this intensity isn't without its challenges. China is investing in technologies for water treatment to address these issues. The goal is to not damage the environment. With millions of fish being produced, maintaining consistent quality and ensuring traceability is paramount. Many farms now use sophisticated tracking systems. This transparency is crucial for. So, what does this all mean for us? China's massive tilapia production, these fish are exported globally, appearing in supermarkets everywhere, driving down costs worldwide. Honestly, the biggest factor enabling China's tilapia dominance isn't just the fish or the tech. It's the massive, unwavering government support and the incredible mind-blowing, right? The scale and efficiency are incredible. If you found this look fascinating, hit that like button. Subscribe to see how we're shaping the future of food.